How to make your Canberra move eco-friendly. Are you moving to Canberra and want to keep it green? Today, we are sharing how to make your Canberra move eco-friendly, so you can reduce waste and make a positive impact while relocating. Step 1. Use reusable bags or fabric wraps for packing. Use eco-friendly packing materials. Instead of using cardboard and bubble wrap, switch to reusable bags or fabric wraps. These options are just as effective and help cut down on waste. Step 2. Sort, donate, and lighten your load. Declutter and donate. Before packing, sort through your items. Donate clothes, furniture, or household items that you no longer need. Not only does this lighten your load, but it helps others too. Step 3. Use recycled boxes for packing. Opt for recycled boxes. Instead of new boxes, look for used or recycled boxes from local stores or online. They are just as strong and a great way to give packaging materials a second life. Step 4. Choose movers with eco-friendly vehicles. Choose an eco-friendly moving service. Look for movers in Canberra who use eco-friendly vehicles or solar-powered trucks. This helps reduce emissions and makes your move greener. Step 5. Plan your move efficiently to reduce fuel use. Organize your move efficiently. Plan your move in one go to reduce the number of trips. The fewer trips, the less fuel is used, saving energy and cutting emissions. Move sustainably and make a positive impact. And there you have it. These simple eco-friendly tips will help you move to Canberra in a sustainable way. Remember, small steps can make a big difference for the environment. Like, share, and subscribe for more eco-friendly moving tips. For more tips on a green move, reach out to us for expert eco-friendly relocation services. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more moving hacks.